Hi there. So in this lecture I will show you how to create a brand new Google AdWords account. So I'm going to show Google AdWords. So just click on the first link and click on sign in the top right corner. For this you must have a Google or Gmail account. So I'm going to give in one of my Gmail accounts here and click on next and just give me password. So if you are signing in for the Google AdWords account for the first time, it will take you to the Google AdWords Express, which is a lighter version of Google AdWords. Once you finish giving the basic details here, like payment details, or your registered individual or your company details, Google AdWords will give you an option to switch it from Google AdWords Express to Google AdWords. That is the main version of Google AdWords. So here you can see I have given some random data after signing in for the first time, like picking and gold, designing a sample ad, and location changes, the budget I'm going to spend. So if I click on next, it will ask me to pay and giving the details like my address or mobile number and other related things. So here is billing country, the time zone. If you have any international promotional code, you can input there and apply for the promotional offer. So account type will be business or individual, so you can change it if you are not a business owner. So I'm an individual, so I'm going to click individual here. So next is tax information. Are you a registered individual or an unregistered individual? So I'm going to click on unregistered individual. So next is the address line and the mobile number and other related stuff, and the payment details. So after giving this, you can go and change this in the Google AdWords dashboard after completing this profile. So as of now, I'm going to skip this step and take you to the Google dashboard. The Google AdWords dashboard. So this will be the first thing you will see after you create the Google AdWords account, right? So this is the shared library section and this is the tools section here. I will discuss about this interface in the upcoming lecture. So that's it for now. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.